Imagine being able to turn your home office into an impregnable digital fortress where your work and your home are safe. In this training, we will show you how it can be done. Let's start with choosing your device and take a closer look at this option. The possibility is to use your personal devices for your work. As soon as you log in, you can access all the necessary resources. Please be aware of our security policies when using your private devices for company-related purposes. But don't forget to pay attention to your work environment as well. Even your smart assistants can pose a threat. It's important to ensure that these devices don't automatically listen and respond. While you are working, these should be turned off to prevent sensitive data from being overheard or unintentionally captured. Your home network is the bridge to our company and the internet. Here are some key steps to make it secure. Change the default password of your Wi-Fi router to a strong, unique password to prevent unauthorized access. Activate strong encryption on your Wi-Fi router to encrypt wireless communication and protect your data. Make sure your router is always equipped with the latest security updates. Another important step in securing your home network is to disable universal plug and play and change the default name of your Wi-Fi network. Furthermore, you should ensure that all devices on your home network are up to date and have the latest security software. If you use smart home devices, don't forget to also configure them securely to prevent unwanted access or data leaks. Pay attention to secure passwords here as well. Ensure that you install the latest firmware updates for your devices to close known security vulnerabilities. If possible, set up a separate guest network for your smart home devices and guests to isolate them from the main network. Do not let devices run unconfigured or make them publicly available over the internet. Your smart home devices can also contain sensitive information or serve as a bridge into your home. Make sure you securely configure and protect them to prevent unwanted access or data leaks. Finally, pay attention to privacy and security in your home office, even in a family environment. Explain to your family, especially children, that the computer and work materials may contain confidential information during work hours. Ask them to respect the workspace and not to play unsupervised on the computer. Ensure that your computer is protected with a strong password to prevent unauthorized access. If children have access to the computer, it is advisable to set up separate user accounts with restricted permissions to ensure data privacy. If you store sensitive or professional data on your computer, consider using data encryption to ensure that this information is protected. Pets can also cause surprising disturbances. Although they are cute and entertaining, their curiosity can lead to unexpected problems. Pets running over the keyboard or damaging cables can lead to unexpected outages and affect your work. Make sure to create a safe environment for both you and your pets while working from home. That was our training on secure working from home. No matter what kind of work you prefer, we hope these tips will help you protect your work and our company data, while also maintaining information security at home and with your family. Stay safe and productive.